Hello friends, are you preparing for UGC NET Computer Science and feeling confused about how to start and when to start, where to start? So this completely this video for you. Welcome to Success for Net. In this channel, actually we are going to cover full complete UGC NET Computer Science as well as the paper 1 syllabus. So here, apart from that, we are going to cover PYQs and what are the tips and techniques we are going to follow and what are the exam strategies and how to work out nearing the exams and how to crack the exams. Everything we are going to give ideas on. So today we are going to see a little bit what are the syllabus are there. So here actually I have started is a WhatsApp group. Those who are interested, even you can join in the WhatsApp group itself. Even in the WhatsApp group, day by day we will post every videos and what are the notes and some tips and techniques and important tables and definitions and match the following questions and PYQ solved questions and everything. Day by day you will get lots of notes. So automatically you will complete this one and sure next December 2026 you are the sure you'll get success. Just we'll see here paper 2 computer science and application syllabus. Unit 1 discrete structures and optimization. Unit 2 computer system architecture. Unit 3 programming language and computer graphics. And Unit 4 database management systems. Next system software and operating system. Software engineering and data structures and algorithms, and theory of computations and compilers, data communication and computer networks, and artificial intelligence. Here, one by one, we are going to see. For example, you can take a discrete mass structure and just I'm going to start. Even we are taking it's a preposition first point. There with preposition with that topic, I'm going to cover full and full PYQs also as it is side by side because whenever we are seeing that topic and PYQs, you'll get lots of ideas how they are asking questions, how it will be difficult, how we have to manage that when everything will see side by side. So it will be good to understand also. So like that, I'm going to cover full and full syllabus. Apart from that, paper 2 and paper 1 also, I'm going to start side by side. So can subscribe my channel and follow. Thank you all of you. Thank you once again.